The Performance Accessories Vinyl Stair Cap is the perfect finish for vinyl stairs. To install your vinyl stair cap, begin with a clean surface. Make sure the steps are boxed. This means you may have to remove returns if needed. Start at the bottom, cutting and dry fitting your riser. For each riser, measure and cut material 1/8 of an inch short of the full width of the stair. This will allow for a 1/16 inch gap on both sides that you will later caulk. Cut each stair cap 1/8 of an inch short of the stair width, and then cut your vinyl plank 1/8 of an inch short in width and depth. This, when locked together, will make your stair tread. To install the riser, add glue in a zigzag pattern along the back, then attach to steps. Remember to use polyurethane glue. Do not use acrylic water-based glue. Use 4 finish nails in the corners to hold it while the glue dries. Remember to leave a 1/16 inch gap on both sides. Now apply a few beads of polyurethane glue along the inner edges of the stair cap. Then apply glue along the front edge of the stair. Seat the stair cap, leaving a 1/16 inch space on both sides. Now apply glue to the surface of your first step in a zigzag pattern. Lock the plank into the stair cap at a 45-degree angle and drop it down to lock it together. Then press the plank into the adhesive. Note, depending on the depth of your stairs and the width of the LVT, it may be necessary to add a filler piece to the stair plank before locking into place. Use low adhesion painter's tape to hold the stair cap in place while adhesive sets. Continue working your way up the steps. When finished, work your way back down from the top, applying white caulk to the expansion joints if the stairs have white risers. Use clear silicone if the risers match the treads. Remember when doing this to adjust any steps that may have moved from walking on them. Allow the stairs 24 to 48 hours to cure before allowing foot traffic.